how to download Pinterest videos. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can download Pinterest videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Pinterest app. Then once you're here, you can choose whatever you want to download. Example, I'm gonna download this water thingy right here. Actually, you can see the save button right here in the middle of the screen. You can click this and you can save it on any board you like. And there you go, as you can see, it said save. Then you go back, go to your profile, and then here you can see the video that you saved. But it is not on your gallery. Let me show you on how you can do that. Just click the video again. And then you can see the three dots on the top right corner. Click this. And click copy link. Once you copy the link of the video, you can go home. Go to any browser you like. I'm gonna use Chrome. And then here at the Google, search Pinterest video downloader. Then you can choose the first one. And then here, paste the link that you copy. And then click download. You can scroll down and you will see the download video button. Click it. And then you can see the three dots on the bottom right corner. And click download. And as you can see on my notification, it is now downloaded. And that's how to download Pinterest videos. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.